go. Hey. Hello. Oh my goodness. Did you make a big mess everywhere? That's okay. I just did that once or twice too. And so did Sai. Yes, I know. We're gonna get you a bath, don't we? Yes, we do. Yes, we do. I just had to clean you up, didn't I? And then it's bath time. Yeah, no. Are you ready for bath? You look like you're wearing a tiny little toga. Oh my goodness. I know what you could be for Halloween. If only it was a little warmer, huh? Yeah. Oh, you got the hiccups again. You just got done with those. I know, you get mad every time you get the hiccups. It's okay. One day you're not. Yes! I know, just like that. Hi. It's okay. Oh, I love your little toga outfit. Yes, you're so pretty. Should we get ready for a bath? Yeah. You want to take a bath? You want to take a bath? Hi. Oh, your hair's coming in so nice. Yes. Hi. You got green eyes right now. Just the other day, you had brown and green. Super pretty. No, blue and green. I apologize. Yes. Oh, okay. Say bye. Say bye-bye. Beautiful.